Just got done with the underground plumbing here. There's our new tub. There's EJ. We had a little issue with this floor drain back in this under the entryway room. I found out all the water I've been putting down that was not making it outside. It actually was tied to an old cast iron pipe which had been abandoned, which explains why the kitchen run now, when somebody redid it in the 80s, comes down to this drop here, and that's our floor drain now. Anyway, this is our new laundry room I'm standing in. We got 2-inch drop for the vanity in the bathroom on the other side of the wall. And then we'll tie our laundry into that. This goes up to the shower in the first floor bath, which will be right there. There's our vent for that shower. And these tie into a 3-inch here. Here's our basement stool. Here's our P-trap for the shower. And our vent for the shower coming up right there. And clean out to the main stack. Picking up first floor vanity. And that vent goes up to the attic and ties in. Here's our first floor toilet. Main vent stack. Behind that, going up there. And then upstairs, our shower, vent for the shower, which ties into that main 3-inch up there. There's another vent and the vanity stub out. Ties into that main stack, which pops out the roof. And this stub here will pick up the vent for the basement bathtub. And that'll continue across here and pick up a vent that we're going to run for the basement vanity and laundry. So that kind of takes care of that.